In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offset carousels with half slider in WordPress Elementor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create that polished peak effect where part of the next slide is visible, drawing visitors to keep scrolling. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. Before you jump into a page, make sure Elementor is set up for modern layouts. Go to Elementor, open Settings, then Features, and enable Flexbox, Container, and Nested Elements. These two features let Elementor handle more advanced structures and are essential for reliable carousel layouts. Don't forget to save your changes so the toggles actually apply. Next, head to Pages and pick the page where you want this carousel. Open it with Edit with Elementor so you're working in the Visual Builder. Once the editor loads, open the Widgets panel and search for either the Loop Carousel or the Standard Carousel widget, depending on what your setup supports. Drag the widget into the section where you want your slider to live. With the widget selected, find the slides to show control and set it to a whole number like 2, 3, or 4. This is important. Whole numbers establish a clean baseline for width calculations, so the track knows exactly how many full slides fit in view. If you use fractions here, the sizing can get unpredictable, and it's much harder to achieve a precise half-slide reveal. Now move to the Settings or Content tab for the carousel and look for Offset slides. This is where the half-slider magic happens. The offset tells the carousel to shift the track slightly so the next or previous slide peeks into view. You'll see two related controls, offset sides and offset width. Offset sides determines where the peak appears, at the start, the end, or both sides. Choose the side that makes sense for your layout and reading direction. Then set the offset width. This is how much of the neighboring slide you want visible. Start with a subtle value and adjust until the preview looks balanced. On desktop, a modest offset often looks refined. You can use pixels for a fixed reveal or percentages if you want it to scale with the container. As you fine-tune, keep an eye on slide gaps and any navigation arrows or dots so they don't crowd the reveal. If the peak feels too tight or too generous, nudge the offset until the composition feels intentional and guides the eye forward. That's it. With slides to show set to a whole number and offset slides dialed in, you've created a smooth half-slider effect in Elementor.